Hey everybody, Heather from Pickin here. We have got a bunch of really fun things to unbox. So, it's a plethora of items from a plethora of different distributors. I just wanted to say that word a couple of times. Makes me feel smarter. Yeah. So we're going to unbox this huge box, which is from 888 Lots. And then we've got a couple of other ones that got shipped from Amazon, but they're also 888 Lots buys. And then we've got this one called Handscraft that I think has some really cool DIY stuff in it. So, and then this, I have no idea. Let's figure it out. Let's unbox it. All right, let's open this weird thing. Whatever it is. The weird mystery item. This is, drum roll please, some shooters. So this I think is from 888 Lots. It just got shipped in Amazon.
That actually is an Amazon. Way back in the day, we shipped those to Amazon.
What? So it's a return from our old Amazon account?
Yep. We got these.
I thought we
no, I got a notice that they were sending us stuff back.
Well, I should check our account and maybe see if
the
we
original
still have
Max.
stuff.
Yep, that's what that is. So, okay, this has been bouncing around an Amazon warehouse then for the better part of 2 years, and then they resent it back to us.
Yep. Well, I better go see if we have some other product, because I'm sure we could make it accessible to you guys. All right, I'm going to open this box here. Why I wouldn't do that box first? I'm a crazy person. So,
gotta have a system.
This has less items in it, so I'm going to do that. This one first. Okay. This has some sort of a box. What is this? It says heating pads for back pain, heating, neck, shoulder pain relief. It's a size large, 2-hour auto shut-off, 6 heat settings.
Nice. And a cool tree.
And a cool tree. So it's a heating pad.
It's the tree of wellness.
Let me see. I'm going to look and see in here.
We've already sold one like this already.
Yeah. Ooh, look how fuzzy it is. So fuzzy.
Nice.
Looks like a real thick one.
Yep.
Cool.
That'll be nice.
Yeah. So, anything in these boxes that I'll open, that'll all go on the fire sale. Just so you know. Okay, this is, I have no idea. It's something in a bag. Should I just open it? Obviously, I have to.
Probably.
It says Cure Choice. It's kind of heavy-ish.
Another heating blanket or something, maybe?
I think it is. It's a heating pad. It's the same heating pad. It's just in a bag. See?
Different color, but yeah, okay.
Yeah. So we'll pull it out, make sure it is actually one of those shoulder, neck, back heating pads.
Nice.
All right, so we have another heating pad. Oh, hey, cool thing. We hired a new employee, and she's amazing. And we got a ton of stuff done. And we'll have to show them kind of some progress we made. Because usually when you swing it back towards there, you can't even walk through there.
Yeah, usually you see a large pile of boxes back there, but now you see a large pile of boxes back there.
Well, okay, but we have a walkway now. And our store is very full.
This is true.
Our store is very, very full.
We're getting a system, guys.
We're getting a system.
Slowly, but we're getting there.
He gave me a look. I was like, we should show him the progress.
I'm like,
Paul's
well,
on camera it doesn't look like progress.
On camera it's not going. It is. Trust us.
It is.
Don't believe your eyes. Just trust what we're saying, and you'll be fine.
This is a massage gun. That's a big one.
That's a nice massage gun too.
It comes in a big old case.
And a box.
And a box.
That's how you know it's good.
So it says relaxation trainer for muscle fatigue.
Kaboom. It trains your muscles to always be relaxed.
Mm-hmm. We keep selling like 1 or 2 every sale of these Harry Potter owls. But you know what? We always have people that want more than we have on there. So hopefully on this Monday's fire sale, well, are we having this fire sale Monday?
Not Monday.
Not having one
Monday I have to pay taxes.
Yes, so we're going to do our taxes Monday. So we may or may not have a
There may be
Monday.
a video of me crying.
Yes.
And ranting about the state of Illinois and the federal government.
Yes, there could be. So anyway, this will be on a future fire sale, probably the Wednesday sale.
I may or may not be trying to form my own government Monday so that I do not have to pay taxes. But Anyway,
That
there will be wailing and gnashing of teeth.
wailing and natural. You know what? I'm gonna do.
Harry Potter keeps sending us his owl.
He does. And multiplying.
Yes.
There. I'm gonna do that. Now we have room. Okay. Now what's in this one? Now this one, because of the brown tape and the style of box, we know this came directly from the 888 Lots warehouse. So 888 Lots has a deal with Amazon so that we sometimes get stuff shipped from Amazon, which is everything you just saw there. And then we get stuff directly from their warehouse.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh, we got more of
Bathtubs.
these. The blue bathtub. So this one is bubble bath shower gel, body lotion.
It's got a candle.
Trying to read them all. It's got candles, the little bathtub, bath bar soap, all sorts of fun stuff. And what scent is it? Let me see. It's ocean.
Smell like the ocean.
So we got a bunch of those.
Smells salty.
I just like the little bathtub. Like, I would put the little bathtub next to my sink and then put, like, my soap or you can put these things in the little bathtub.
Absolutely.
So,
It's a clever little
it
deal.
is.
When I found the company at ASD, now I just go online at
Other wholesalers.
with other wholesalers, and I'm like, I wonder if they have something. And sometimes they'll have the ones that they've clearanced out.
If you guys are looking for one that maybe we've unboxed in the future from the Loverly category, let us know if we're sold out of the one that you're like, man, I wish you would have had the vanilla and ginger, or I wish you would have had the, you know, the almond one or whatever. Let us know because we can always reorder from that company.
Yes, we can.
More muscle massagers.
Massage guns.
We get such a good deal on these. That's why we like to pass along to you guys.
Yep.
So
And they're handy things to get.
they are. I'm just gonna stack these all so we can get rid of this box. What is this one? Ooh, it's a two-way radio. That's a little fancy one.
I like these too. These always sell pretty well for us. I have a hard time getting a hold of these, but when I can, I try to snag them. Because these can be really expensive, so I wait till the price keeps coming down. And I get one. It's a 2-pack. There's 2 in there. Nice.
All right. There's that.
Nice.
Box. Okay. Put that there. All right. Now these are all going to go on hookedonpickin.com. We'll try to get these listed.
If we have time, I might put that massage gun online too.
Especially since we have so many.
Yeah.
Oh, tell them the special thing that's happening today.
Today, we are going to my dad's retirement.
Yep.
His work, it's his last day to work. At 2 o'clock today, they have a big retirement thing for him, kind of an award thing. He's worked at the company for 32 years.
Whoa, that's a long time.
That's a big deal.
These are planet stickers.
Of course. Do they have...
No, I bet they don't.
What's the last one?
Pluto.
No Pluto.
So sad.
So sad.
So sad.
Apparently
All right.
Pluto's not a planet anymore.
This is these are really no glue needed.
Yep.
3D puzzles.
Yep. Got the turtle. Many of these you guys have seen before. Some of them you may not have seen.
So we're going to replenish those. Hold on, let me grab these skinny ones because they might be turtles as well. Yes, they are.
Turtle, turtle. Everybody loves turtles.
All right. These look neat. What are these? This is a mechanical music box. Is it like the solar system? Kind of looks like the solar system. Yeah.
That is just amazing.
Starry Night DIY wooden puzzle. So
You can build
moves,
that.
and I think it moves.
I don't think we've had this one before.
No, that's brand new. That's awesome looking.
People love these whenever I can get them.
Yeah, they're really cool.
So I'm branching out, trying different stuff.
Okay, so there's those. Let me get all these out. Okay, we did have these and they sold like hotcakes.
Yeah, they did.
Because they light up. They're the 3D wooden tower puzzle, and I think the drawbridge does go up and down, and it lights up.
Very cool.
So we have those, a bunch of those.
James has been kicking butt on shipping. There's only 3
Outstanding packages.
3 outstanding
that were
orders.
bought yesterday.
Everything will have been shipped then. Isn't that amazing?
Okay, so this is going to be one of 2 things. It's either going to be the Prime Team Express or the heavy truck or both. Let's look and see. Try not to wreck the display box. There we go. Okay, so this one is... Oh, it's neither. It's the Grand Prix car.
The Grand Prix car. Are they all Grand Prix?
Yes, every single one in this box is Grand Prix car.
There you go. This one goes well.
Yes, it does. So we're going to replenish all these on Hooked on Pickin. We have them in the craft section. Are they in the toy section or just craft?
I think they're just in the craft section because they're from Hands Craft. Kind of a crafty little...
Yes.
Very crafty, very sneaky.
Trying to be very organized today.
Fragile.
It's fragile.
Oh,
look at that.
Yeah.
All right, so
puzzles.
This one? So this will have 2 puzzles in it. We have got the merry-go-round.
Merry-go-round.
And the vintage camera.
The vintage camera's back. I think I'm out of almost every last one of these puzzles.
Yes.
At Christmas, I couldn't keep them in stock.
Okay, so there's that one. Oh, here's the truck.
Yeah.
This one sells really well.
It does.
Yeah. Looks like we got a bunch of those. Yeah, heavy truck. Looks like we got 5 so far.
Nice.
Then we've got gramophone.
Very cool.
Is this a gramophone too? Yep, so we've got 5 of the gramophone. What is this one? The drum kit.
The drum
There's
kit.
only one. I really hope we have... Wait, what are these? Because these sell really well.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we got 5.
5 drum kits.
Hopefully we get more because I know these are going to sell out really fast. Okay. This has 2 different kinds in it.
There's James.
Hi.
Say hi, James.
He was trying to sneak by unnoticed, and then you just swing the camera.
Nope.
All right, there's the cello.
Cello.
Is that new, or have we had that one before?
Boy, I can't remember.
And then the airship.
I think this is cool, kind of the steampunk thing. Very neat.
All right, then 2 kinds in this one. This one has the saxophone and the sailing ship.
That's the fishing ship.
Oh, sorry, fishing ship.
We have a sailing ship,
We
though.
do.
Good old fishing trawler.
And we have the grand piano.
Grand piano. And the Ferris wheel. Tell us, what is your favorite one?
Yeah, which one's your favorite one? Leave in the comment section below which one you like the best. And have any of you built these? And which ones did you build?
Yeah, we've sold a number of them.
Yeah. This one only has 1 kind in it. So we'll have 10 of this 1 kind. If I can get it out of the box. Oh, don't pull that. Rip it there. Yay!
More drums.
Good, because those sell really, really fast.
Kaboom.
So I'm hoping.
Are
So
all
now we
these
have
drums?
15. Yeah, every single one is a drum. Because there's a code on it. So if it has 1 line, it's 1 kind. If it has 2 lines, it's got 2 kinds. I'm not just a...
Heather is smart.
I don't have x-ray vision or anything.
Heather is so smart. Figuring out codes.
Alright, this one will have 2 kinds in it. Got the...
Hot air balloon. Beautiful. And the owl storage box. They're just cool things to build, you know?
Yeah.
And this one sails around your room. It actually floats. No, it doesn't. But you can act like, you can pretend, you can use your imagination.
Imagination? What's that, Paul? Okay, this has 2 different kinds in it as well.
Your imagination is like a TV in your head. This is the Titan. No, it's a cruise ship.
If they had the Titanic, they would have like a little wooden
Titanic.
Iceberg to hit.
Going under. People screaming.
Oh, that's horrible.
Falling off and hitting the propeller.
Wow, you went dark.
Oh, it's the movie. It's the movie.
Right,
that scene is seared in my head. The guy hitting the propeller, falling off. I'm sure he just said ouch, though. He was fine.
Yeah.
They just swam around the ocean for a while.
Those are the last two right there.
Airplane. And the pumpkin cart.
And the pumpkin cart.
Cinderella's pumpkin cart right there. Look at the detail, though. That's cool.
Yeah.
Did you find the big box, James?
I did.
You did, didn't you?
Show them the big box. Look how huge it is.
Yep.
This is a big box.
Somebody bought 2 of the, what is it, the teddy bears?
The teddy bears.
The massive
teddy bears.
6-foot
Awesome.
teddy bears.
That's awesome. We also got that big box so that we're going to try to list by maybe Monday or Tuesday. We'll try to list the wind spinners.
Monday I have to do taxes.
Yeah, Tuesday then.
Guys, I'm looking forward to doing taxes. I'm super excited. I'm pumped about
For
it.
us, it
All of
takes
our
us
hard work
forever.
that the government wants.
They're just going to take all our money. That's all. That's what they do. All right, so that is the end of the
I'm not done.
Monday.
I'm not done complaining and grumbling.
Listen, I don't want to hear you complaining.
We do live in a beautiful land.
We do live in a beautiful
And I guess they were owed a certain
I don't know.
consideration.
Anyway.
But anyway.
We're going to list all of the puzzles.
Yep.
Even this new one here. I think we might have had that one. Tower Bridge, all that. And then we may list the massage gun. Everything else will be on the next fire sale, which looks like it's going to be Wednesday will be the next fire sale. So just stay tuned to our Facebook page and our YouTube channel. We'll kind of make announcements on every video on what's kind of happening. So thanks so much for joining us. And of course, remember in the end, Jesus wins.
Happy retirement, Dad.
You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.